Hi everyone, Olivia here. For today's video, let's check kung ano ang paparating sa'yo this June in terms sa career mo. Let's use 6 card spreads for this guidance ang meron para sa'yo for the month of June. Okay, first card, we got 10 of Swords. Next is guidance sa yung career this June. Ace of Cups. Guidance for your career. Next, Ace of Pentacles. Next, Justice card. I'm hearing may malaking pagbabago. Next, Knight of Pentacles. And for our last card, we got the Hierophant. Nung nakita ko yung Hierophant, unang pumasok sa utak ko is congratulations. Merong another structure na naman na nabuo. This time, it's a solid foundation. It's a solid structure. Meron din ako nakikita dito in terms of your career. There is an offer na magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment emotionally and in terms of your kaperahan. But hindi ka maka-decide agad-agad eh. You will try to find balance kung ano ang tama for you, kung ano ang makakapagbigay ng satisfaction when it comes to this career. Meron din ako nakikitang dog intuitively. So, if you are someone na may plano kang mag-adopt ng dog or recently your dog is kakapanganak pa lang, that's also a good sign na there is something coming na maaring makapagpabago ng iyong career. This is a slowly but surely type of pag-rebuild ng career. Kung ang tagal mong na-stuck sa isang company, pwedeng ikaw yung tipong tao na gusto mong mag-explore and this is the time for you to try it. Meron din ako nakikita ditong if you are taking an exam or if you are taking a degree related sa licensure, I can see here there's a positive energy coming. I'm also seeing here color green, so green is also a representation of wealth, money. So this is a very, very good energy if you're someone looking for a structure, another exploration when it comes to career. This is a very, very good sign. Someone also here is having a hard time na i-voice out niya yung ideas niya when it comes to his or her creation sa kanyang career. Parang ang dami niyang sinasarili lang. And kung titingnan siya, this person really looks pagod na pagod, but quiet. Pero sa loob-loob nun, ang daming umaapaw na emotions and minsan nagiging way siya or dahilan siya kung bakit nasasayang yung opportunities when it comes to money making. There's also an energy here na ang bagal-bagal ng pag-usad ng plano niya, pero be patient when it comes to it kasi nga yung structure is very very matibay siya kaya medyo mabagal ang usad kasi you are being guided to really pay attention sa iyong pasensya. And kung yeah, there is a very good wealth coming in. It's just that you're the type of person na nadadala ka sa emotional spending mo na kapag may masaya or mas mabigat na nagaganap sa buhay mo, ang pinaka naiisip mo is gumastos ng gumastos, and you're always thinking na there is something coming in. Totoo naman yun, but then let's think then sometimes it's better to really take a step back and think about our spending habits, if that's a normal one, if it's really kailangan ba talaga, or nadadala lang tayo ng emotions and temptations around. Para hindi rin masayang ang binibigay ng God, ng universe sa'yo, make sure that you are worthy of it. Meron dito, medyo nadadala siya sa mga aya ng ibang tao sa paligid, ng pressure. Kaya minsan, hindi niya namamalayan yung mga hindi dapat galawin na isinube na pera is nadadamay niya doon. So, ayun, there is a very good energy of wealth coming in. Make sure that you are deserving of this one. And, kung ano man yung nagpapabigat sa'yo in terms of your career, you have to really try to find balance dyan and release what is no longer serving you right, or it's more on weighing you down than helping you to rise above. So yun, this is your career reading for the month of June. If naka-resonate ka, just comment anything below, and you can also follow me sa aking Instagram account. You can just search Olivia Astrology, or on my TikTok accounts, Olivia Tarot Cards, and another one, my main account is Astro Tarot Olivia. Just look up the links na nasa aking channel sa description, and yeah, see you next video. Bye!